Hello everyone, my name is Lakshitang and he is my fellow mate Midul Babbar. We represent Electrona Renewables. Actually, we are four founders of this team. Two of us members, Mr. Amit Singla and Mr. Mohit Garg, are not able to mark their presence here because they are on a site visit. We founded Electrona Renewable by keeping one thing in mind, that is to promote renewable energy and make it available to the Indian consumers, and that is what our tagline suggests, changing lives exponentially.
Solar energy, as you all know, has provided us lots of electricity all around the world and in India as well. There are lots of benefits of solar energy, but with benefits there comes cons as well. One of the biggest cons is that the sun doesn't shine at night. This is the biggest con. User needs electricity at night. So user has adopted a lot of options that is present in the market, including the lead acid batteries. They have used lead acid batteries, but the backup is not so much and the user is not happy. So we came up with the technology known as highly efficient smart storage system that will give you double the efficiency, half the area and half the weight, and the user has to pay a nominal price comparable to the normal lead acid batteries. We demonstrate this technology to the Government of India, and we have an order of 200 batteries to be installed in the solar street light, and we have successfully implemented that. This came up to us and we grabbed the opportunity. We have also installed 60 kilowatt worth of solar plants all around the country at various locations. We are able to do this because we are a strong team which is highly persistent, which is highly hardworking, and no matter what, it doesn't quit. That is our motto. We believe in making our dreams come true. We are in the process of developing this same technology for the hybrid electric vehicle that will run in the coming future in India. We are in the process of developing that and will be deploying it very soon. We came up to IIM Calcutta keeping in mind that our technology will have a platform. We will be able to display our technology in this. Coming to our team, our Sejine believes, along with our brains filled with stimulated ideas, along with the motivation, we are damn ready to perform this shared goal, and we will surely implementing this.